Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool right here, and basically what this is a car wireless FM transmitter. If you guys see the one that we got right here from this brand, and if you guys turn onto the back, they probably got some of the specs and features on here. But first, I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so once you guys open up, this actually looks like inside. So once you guys take it out, inside they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And then right here we do have the actual product. So we have to take it out. Here is basically what the product looks like. So you can see the product is not that big. It's actually a pretty decent size, which is pretty nice. But right here is a slide where you can plug into the actual car. On the side we do have two buttons. It looks like a power button and a CH button. And right here in the front we do have a few options. So right here is probably like the calling option. And right here we do have an extra bass or boost up bass option, which is kind of cool. Right here you see we do have a quick charger USB and power delivery USB-C option. And on this side we do have a UDIS interface option, so that way you can use your USB flash drive or something to play music or something if you guys do want to as well. And if you guys notice on here, they do tell you guys the max watts that's on here, which is 20 watts. And then for the USB option, it's probably like the regular 3.8 charging speed. And I believe throughout the product on the side, it's supposed to light up with an LED light, which is pretty cool as well. And basically the benefit of using one of these products, it allows you guys to connect it onto a Bluetooth device. So if you guys are driving a car where it doesn't have the Bluetooth option available, that is where one of these actually comes in handy, which is pretty cool. So that way you can use the FM radio station to kind of pair it together. And the way how you guys know which FM channel you guys are using, it will be showing right here. So obviously you don't see anything right here yet because we don't have it plugged in. So I'm actually going to test it out and show you guys how it works, and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so once you guys plug it in, here is basically what the product looks like. So you can see for the display screen here showing Bluetooth. So what you're going to do is connect it onto your phone first. Alright, so we got connected. So what I'm doing now is change the radio station to 107.5 because that's what we have set up right here. You can see right here, I already have it set up as 107.5, so we can start using the product. So I play a song on here, let me show you guys what happens. Alright, so you see it definitely does work. And if you guys look carefully on the light on the actual product, it does light up. And when I'm playing the music on here, it does follow the beat of music. So obviously, if you guys use the light in a darker setting, it'll look a lot cooler. But this is what the product looks like in a bright setting. So when you guys bring the product into a darker setting, this is what the product looks like. And then if you guys play a music, if you see how the light follows the beat of music when you guys do play it, which is kind of cool. And if you guys want to use different buttons on here, you guys definitely can. So this button right here is bass. So that's the bass on and bass off button. If you guys push the button, that is how you guys call. If you guys push it up, that will increase the volume. If you guys push it down, that will decrease the volume. If you guys push it left and right, it allows you guys to change the song on here. It also change the display screen, if you can see. So on the side, like I mentioned, we do have two buttons. If you guys press the top button, that will turn off. If you guys press again, that will turn it back on. And the button right below that will allow you guys to change a different channel. So let's push it left and right. You guys can change a different channel on here for whatever channel you're going to use for the FM transmitter. So that is basically how you guys use the product. Now I'm actually plugging the cable to show you guys how to use the USB option and the USB-C option if you guys want to charge your phone or something. So for the first test, I'm plugging into my iPhone right here. Alright, so you see that works. Now let's plug in the USB option as well. So right here I do have my other iPhone. If you guys plug it in, that works as well. So you see you do have the option to charge two devices at the same time while using the radio option or the FM radio or the Bluetooth option if you guys do want to. And if you guys want to plug in the other USB option on the side right here, you guys can use like a USB flash drive if you guys want to. But that is basically what the product looks like when you guys do set it up. You can see everything on here definitely does work. Welcome back guys. So now this is a quick test of the product, and definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. So you see from the video, everything on here definitely does work. From the USB option to the USB-C option, the joystick option where it actually allows you guys to make calls and select stuff moving up, down, left, right, increasing the volume, lower the volume, and all that other good stuff as well. So that way not only does the product work as a charger option, but also give you guys the option to use it as an FM transmitter as well, to connect it onto Bluetooth devices to play music and etc. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing product, now to end the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality FM transmitter that give you guys everything that's included on here. That I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.